Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. We're officially opening up pre-orders for our brand new Sanctum wireless charging console lid starting on Black Friday. The initial product release will be available for the Jeep JL Wrangler and Gladiator, as well as the new body Ford F-Series trucks. Our Sanctum wireless charging system is fully integrated into your factory console lid, which eliminates the need for any extra cables and bulky dash-mounted phone chargers. This system features a QI-compatible charging pad that's manufactured with a hard ridge around the edges to keep your phone in place. Both the middle trim ring and the thread color can be customized with an optional accent color to complement your vehicle. This unit is compatible with most smartphones that use QI wireless charging protocol and works for both Android and iOS. The standard charging pad size is designed to hold most phone models, however, we do also offer a larger size to accommodate for extra large phones. We're currently selling this wireless charging console lid upgrade as an installed item only and requires you to send in the factory lid for the integration. Once ordered, we'll send you a call tag to ship the lid to us for the upgrade. Your new wireless charging console lid will arrive ready for you to bolt back in. Check out the installation video in the description below for more info on the process. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions on this upgrade, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.